DC-3, even though it is in the colors of Pan American Airlines, it was actually a C-46, and it served in China, I believe. And so it is a true warbird, even though they have... is taking to the skies in his P-51D Mustang Valhalla.
Coming in from the right, it looks like the Mustang Valhalla P-51D Mustang.
And the P-51B model of the Mustang being flown today by Carter Teeters. The B model, or this particular one, known as Impatient. Now, folks, I just gotta say, we're just gonna do a little bit of a racetrack here with our warbirds just because of the cloud conditions we have right now. Look at this, the Lockheed P-38 Lightning going by.
Very unique aircraft with those twin Allison engines. Oh, here come the Harvards.
And the Stagger Wing in the lead, followed by our DC-3. That offers a collection of the most important aircraft produced between 1927 and 1957, all restored and airborne again. Their mission goes beyond serving as trustees of the .org.
Well, Ken, unfortunately, due to the weather, we have to cut things a little short with our warbirds. We don't want to fly them too much in the rain because it does erode some of the paint and does affect the aircraft. So, in the interest of
Malcolm Hood. It's essentially a bubble canopy to aid pilot visibility. It was delivered in early 1944, and the airplane actually comes by its D-Day stripes honestly. It flew 4 sorties on D-Day, that was June 6, 1944, flew more than 700 hours for the 376th Fighter Squadron based in England. Overall, in World War II, Impatient version claimed 7 victories over Luftwaffe aircraft before...
The biggest and heaviest armed single-engine aircraft from the United States in World War II. It could carry 8 50 caliber machine guns, made it great for air-to-air and especially for air-to-ground attack mode. And get this, it cost $96,000, which was more than any other single-engine fighter of the war.
That is so cool.
And of course, the fork-tailed devil just rolling out. The other significant thing about this aircraft was telling you
the whine of the speeder bike engines in the movie Star Wars Return of the Jedi was partly achieved by recording the engine noise of a P-38, and they combined that with the sound of a North American P-51 Mustang.
Really? I didn't know that.
That's right. The Japanese video game company Counterattack 1942 and in 1943 the Battle of Midway. I have to say, I moved into my townhouse, I bought myself a souvenir, one of those old classic cabinet arcades that used to have just one arcade game. Well, they put a little 42 and 1943 Battle of Midway games. So I get to fly that P-38 Lightning in the very pixelated screen.
It's a phone that gets you contact with the flight deck. And it is quite ornate, and you know what, if you want to go for a flight, you can go for a flight in that aircraft and join the museum, and membership gets you a flight in the aircraft.
Well, folks, while we parade these incredible aircraft...
You might be wondering what the heck's going on with these airplanes. Are they cloaked or something? Because they're zigzagging down the taxiway. No, they're supposed to do that. You notice the very long nose on the Mustangs.
Public aircraft in World War II was first flown on the 6th of May, 1941. P-47 was designed as a large, high-performance fighter bomber utilizing the large Pratt & Whitney R2800 double wasp engine that gave it excellent performance.